Good morning, everyone. My name is Basta. So we are now at the end of our presentation. Let's recap on the three options. We are look at the possibility of not moving office and staying here in the middle of the city. There would be some minor benefits because we can save money, but it would be for a limited time only. However, in the long term, our company is expanding rapidly. We would lose credibility and market share if we decide to stay here. Next, we consider moving outside the city or even to another country. Again, we have seen some advantage as we could find a cheaper location. However, our companies has been in the city for a very long time, and our identity is tied in with this location. If we move to another location, it was affect our identity. The third option is to continue staying to the city, but move to a state of the art building near the airport. If we build our one office, it will strengthen our image, improve internal communication, and thrive for future